Did you know that Americans pay over $1 trillion in interest every year? Yes, trillion with a T. Now let me ask you this. Who's actually pocketing all that money? Spoiler alert, it's not your local diner owner. Ever received one of those friendly texts, "You've been pre-approved for $10,000"? It's like someone handing you a gift-wrapped chocolate, but inside, it's a black hole that slowly drains your peace of mind and your paycheck. Easy credit isn't generosity, it's bait. And once you bite, you're hooked. Let's break it down. You take out a $5,000 loan. You spend it. You start making payments. But the interest keeps piling up. You fall behind. You refinance. Now the $5,000 becomes $10,000, then $15,000. It's like trying to climb out of a hole with a plastic spoon. And here's the twist. The system needs you in that hole. So, who's winning? Banks, of course. Quarter after quarter, record-breaking profits. In 2024, the top 5 U.S. banks earned over $160 billion in net income. Do you think that came from savings accounts? From Venmo? No. It came from people paying 17%, 24%, even over 500% APR on credit cards and payday loans. But it's not just banks. The government loves your debt too. The more you borrow, the more taxes, fees, and penalties flow into public coffers. The system profits every time you swipe a credit card, take a loan, or refinance your mortgage. It's like a giant machine that only runs if you keep losing. And here's the real kicker. You think you're the customer, but once you're in debt, you become the product. Your time becomes collateral. Your mental health goes on the line. Your future becomes a bargaining chip. And on the other side of the table, executives in suits pricing out your pain. Back in the day, peasants paid taxes to the feudal lords. Now, you pay banks every month without fail. Credit cards, auto loans, student debt. The difference? Today, you get to choose which castle will chain you down. Chase, Capital One, Bank of America. And don't think they're just selling you money. They're selling you status, security, immediate comfort. With cozy slogans and sleek apps, they make it feel like freedom. But real freedom doesn't come with monthly payments, and it sure doesn't come with compounding interest. The worst part? It's become normal. Financing a new iPhone over 36 months, paying just the minimum balance, refinancing your card to pay off your cards. It's part of everyday life now. Debt has become invisible. But every cent you pay in interest is a cent someone else is collecting. Here's a real-life example. Maria, 58 years old, bought a fridge on a payment plan, $100 a month for 12 months. Lost her job, refinanced. 3 years later, she had paid over $3,400 for a $1,200 refrigerator. Who won? Not Maria. The bank, the lender, the machine. Now imagine, what if no one went into debt? No loans, no buy now, pay later, no credit card balances. What would happen to Wall Street profits? To federal revenue from financial institutions? To an economy built on tomorrow's money? The system doesn't want you debt-free, because if you stop owing, a lot of people stop winning. So next time someone offers you easy credit, remember, it's not a gift. It's a contract with your future self. You're not buying a product. You're selling your time, your peace, your freedom. And who's buying it cheap? Banks, government, corporations, all smiling while you sweat. And now that you know who really profits from your debt, maybe it's time to ask yourself, why do you keep buying things you don't even need? That's what we'll talk about in the next video.